What is up? I'm back with another video. Today we're looking at something a little bit different. This is by Scale Trains. This is my first item by Scale Trains. Hopefully it's a good one. I have not opened it. As you guys can see, I haven't opened it at all. So, just so you guys know. Here's all the information if you guys want to pause the video after this. Hold on. If you guys want to pause the video. There we go. Alright, so this is HO scale or 187 scale, 14 and up. I am 13. Doesn't really matter. I got this at my hobby shop for $25.99. I think that is the original pricing too. So, yeah. So let's open this bad boy up. I'm gonna take out this box here. We're gonna take this and put this over there. Also, you can go to Walters and get one of these. They have new SD60s that I want to buy. Here's what they look like. I really want the Norfolk Southern or the Canadian Pacific or BNSF. Doesn't really matter. They all look really nice, but my favorite is the Norfolk Southern out of all of these. As you guys know, Norfolk Southern. I am a Canadian National / Norfolk Southern person, so yeah. I got this at my hobby shop right here for that price I just showed you, $27. And let's take the top off here. Scale Trains. I've heard really good reviews about this, so yeah. I'm trying to start doing really quick reviews, so yeah, this is a 3-bay, it looks like. Trying to just carefully take it out of its packaging here and put it there. There's more numbers right out of the box. This is ready to roll. Looks like there's some information here on the car. If I can just get this opened. It just tells you a little bit about the car here, a little bit about the car that they sell. Tells you the parts list here, and if you need additional parts. Warranty policy, and the exploded parts diagram. Very big, 2-page thing right there. But let's get into this review if I can close this up here. Alright guys, so like I said, right out of the box, this is brand new. Says right here the type of plate it is, plate C. This is a Norfolk Southern model. The number of the model is 297276, and right there it says the load limit and load weight. And it says right there, let's see if it'll hurry up and guess not. Well, right here it says 2-inch comb shoes, or yeah, for brake shoes, the brakes, and this is on both sides. Have some really nice detail, ladder detail and grab irons here and up. Right here it says a little about the car and warning information and whatnot. So you can see it's a 3-bay hopper, and the stuff rides very low to the car, so you can't really have stuff. You can't really have anything on the middle of the tracks. That is higher than the rails. So let's go to this end of the car. On this end, you have the brake box. You have the brake box all the way in here. Don't want to break anything. It's very fragile. It's not bendable. I mean, it is a little bendable, but right here you have the brake wheel. You have Scale Trains couplers, the E-type, I think. Again, more ladder detail and grab irons. And then you have the compression airbox or whatever. It's the same on the other side. Looking at the bottom here, you'll see just some very little detail. This is operator, Steel Train's operator. This is not rivet. I forgot what it's called. It's something rivet. It'll come to me later. But this is the operator version. It does not have very much detail on the bottom except for some hatches, and that's pretty much it. And the wheels. Overall, this is a very nice car for the price that I got it for. And then on the other side over here, it's the same thing as on the other side, except no brake wheel or anything. On the top, you have your walkways. They are not fine enough to see through. I think that's only on the other one, the rivet scale or whatever. And then you have the hatch openings here, which do not open on this model. And then your the wheel caps do not turn on this model. So yeah. With that, let's see how it runs on the track. So